Alright, lovely people, so these are the ingredients. I've got 1 egg beaten. You have to beat the egg, of course. That is for brushing the pastry. So I've got a spinach here. I've got a lemon juice, 1 lemon. I've got lemon zest. And I have 1 teaspoon of dried dill. And I have salmon here. And cream cheese, of course. I use flavored one, so you can use plain one, whatever. And this is the puff pastry, ready-made one. I don't need to make that one. So that 2 of those, because you have to, cover it, wrap it with that one. Second time, you can do it para. Hello, lovely people. So I hope you're all well and good and you're happy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, Rena's Kitchen and Adventure, and also like and hit the bell down below para ma-notify kayo if there's a new video coming, so you'll get notification. And for today we are having a salmon for our lunch. I'm making salmon and croute. That's the menu for today. Salmon and croute. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and learn something from it. If not, just enjoy the video. Here we go. We have a 600 grams of salmon here. First, you have to pat it dry, wash them, and then pat it dry. And then you can do that. Remove the skin of this. It's not very easy. Resting while we're doing the others. There you go. A zest of 1 lemon, a juice of 1 lemon, 1 packet of spinach, a teaspoon of dill, dried, I don't have fresh, 1 juice of lemon, cream cheese with herbs, I'm using with herbs, and this puff pastry. So I'm using 2 of these, which is 320 grams each, and of course our salmon and our lemon zest. So that is our ingredients, lovely people. So these are our ingredients. I'm distracted, Grandad.
Sorry, Rana.
Okay.
You could edit me out.
I can't concentrate. I can't stand when you were watching me like that. Hey, look. Grandad, don't need to stop doing whatever you want to do.
That's what makes your blog interesting.
Let's get started, lovely people.
Let's get down to business.
Let's get down to business. Dill. Juice. Do it my way. Ready-made pastry. A little bit like that. Alright. Put it in. Just put it. Brush it with it. Vegetable be cooked, all of it. You can eat. So this, put it aside. That's why we. As you can see, saving that for something. There you go, lovely people. So, because this 7 mint of truth.
Wow, we.
Can do this.
Soon I'll have to be off.
12:30. This one's gonna be finished.
Good.
There you go.
Hairdresser S actually. Female hairdresser.
Yeah.
Oh. Unit started.
This creation.
Which we don't possess in this house. You found
Okay, that's it, lovely people. Can you see? So here is my salmon on Croute. Let's put it in the oven.
You're not on.
Is it alright? Salt and pepper. You had enough.